Let's make a chicken parm sandwich on the Weber kettle. First, we'll season our flour with the Killer Hogs AP seasoning, then the breadcrumbs with Malcom's Italian Stallion. After running the chicken through the breading station, we'll place it on the Weber with a full vortex. After 4 to 5 minutes, top with sauce and cheese. I'm using provolone and mozzarella. Now slice a fresh homemade brioche bun, add some sauce to it, and place on your chicken. It's so good. Enjoy.
Definitely gonna have to hunch over to eat this one.